Lunges are a great exercise to work the quads, hamstrings, glutes, hips, and to work on balance. If you're new to this exercise, I recommend starting with stationary lunges. Both feet stay on the ground the entire time as you place most of your weight on your front leg while lunging, and use the back foot for balance. If this is too difficult, you can hold onto something sturdy nearby, or place a pillow or cushion beneath your back knee to reduce the range of motion. As you advance, you can try the reverse lunge. The emphasis is still on the front leg, and there is more of a component of balance when stepping back. There is also greater range of motion for the hip to straighten out fully, incorporating the hip and glute muscles more. The forward lunge requires both strength and control, so you don't slam your heel into the ground as you go forward. As you push back through the heel, it will require more hamstring and glute strength. One thing to note is the angle of the ankle as you are lunging on your front leg. The more your knee goes forward, the more emphasis you will have on your quads. This is neither right or wrong if you do not have knee pain. If you have knee pain, you can try keeping your knee above your ankle as you bend the knees. Also, as you are lunging, you want the middle of your knee to align somewhere between your third toe and pinky toe. Lunging with your knees caving in toward the big toe can cause knee pain. That's it for lunges. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.